Concerned about hair loss? NeoGraft is the answer.
The most important factor with hair restoration is that it looks natural. NeoGraft and the FUE process produce the most natural results in hair restoration because with NeoGraft, we transfer individual hair follicles from the back of your scalp to areas of loss. NeoGraft produces results that are indistinguishable from natural hair growth.
Proven hair restoration for men and women. Call and schedule your consultation with Coralville Hair Restoration today.